After age 45, our bodies start to change quietly, and one of the first places it shows is the kidneys. These hard-working organs filter your blood and flush out toxins every single day. But when they're overworked, you might feel tired, bloated, or just off without knowing why. Here's the good news: you can support your kidneys and feel better with just one day of the right foods. No pills. No complicated detox. In this video, I'll walk you through a full-day kidney-friendly plan, starting with a refreshing smoothie breakfast, a warm anti-inflammatory lunch salad, and a light evening protein meal that's gentle but nourishing. It's a simple way to detox your kidneys, clean your system, and give your body a break, naturally. Why detox your kidneys? You probably don't think much about your kidneys. But every single day, these two fist-sized organs work nonstop to keep your body clean, balanced, and running smoothly. They don't just remove waste. They also regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and help your body produce red blood cells. But here's the catch: if your diet is high in salt, sugar, or processed foods, or if you're not drinking enough water, your kidneys get overloaded. And after age 45, the risk of chronic kidney disease goes up, often without any clear warning signs. The good news? Just one day of the right foods can help clean your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and boost their natural detox power. That's what a gentle kidney detox is all about: giving your kidneys a chance to rest, reset, and support your health from the inside out. Smoothie breakfast for kidney detox. You don't need a fancy recipe to give your kidneys a break. A simple morning smoothie breakfast can kickstart your day with clean energy and help gently detox your kidneys. Here's an easy kidney-friendly blend that packs flavor and purpose. Half a cup blueberries, rich in antioxidants that protect kidney cells. 1 small green apple, low in sugar, high in fiber. A handful of lightly steamed kale, helps lower potassium load. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, for omega-3s and digestion support. Half a cup unsweetened coconut water, hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. A few slices of fresh ginger or turmeric, natural anti-inflammatories. Blend all ingredients until smooth and sip slowly over 15 to 20 minutes. Important tip: avoid bananas, honey, or cow's milk. These can add extra potassium or sugar, which may burden the kidneys, especially if you're watching your kidney health closely. This isn't just breakfast. It's a deliberate start to a kidney-friendly diet that gives your body clean fuel and your kidneys a fresh start. Warm anti-inflammatory salad for lunch. When you think of salad, you might picture something raw and cold. But if your goal is to clean your kidneys and support digestion, a warm salad is a better midday option. Here's a simple, delicious, and kidney-friendly lunch that's both soothing and satisfying. Half a cup steamed broccoli, low in potassium, high in antioxidants. Half a cup sautéed zucchini, gentle on the stomach. A 1/4 cup shredded carrots, rich in vitamin A. Half a cup cooked chickpeas, a clean source of plant-based protein. Extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, turmeric, and black pepper for flavor. Lightly sauté the veggies in olive oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the chickpeas and season naturally. That's it. Why this works: it's easy to digest, rich in nutrients, and helps reduce inflammation, all while being gentle on your kidneys. Avoid mayonnaise, cheese sauces, or salty dressings. Stick to real, clean ingredients. This is the heart of a kidney-friendly diet: light, clean, and powerful. Light protein dinner for kidney support. Dinner is when your body begins to slow down and prepare for rest, and your kidneys? They need a break too. That's why a light but nourishing dinner is key to supporting a gentle kidney detox, especially if you're over 45 or watching your kidney health closely. Here's a clean and simple meal to end the day right. 3 to 4 ounces of steamed or baked salmon, loaded with anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Half a cup roasted pumpkin, low in potassium, supports your immune system. Half a cup steamed asparagus, a natural diuretic that helps flush toxins. Season the salmon with lemon and herbs, then steam or bake. Roast the pumpkin with olive oil, and lightly steam the asparagus until tender. This meal is low in sodium, rich in clean protein, and full of nutrients that help your body repair overnight, without stressing your kidneys. Avoid soy sauce, fish sauce, and packaged seasoning. Go natural. This dinner for Kidney Detox lets your body rest, recover, and recharge. Kidney Detox in one day won't cure disease, but it's a powerful way to reset your body and give your kidneys the rest they deserve. With just one day of a kidney-friendly meal plan, you reduce inflammation, support natural filtration, and let your body recharge. Do this once a week or a few times a month, and you'll feel lighter, sleep better, and have more clarity during the day. If you have chronic kidney disease, diabetes, or are on regular medication, always talk to your doctor before making dietary changes. This isn't just about food, it's about taking charge of your health, starting with your kidneys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with loved ones, and hit subscribe for more easy, natural ways to protect your kidneys. Because caring for your kidneys is caring for your life.